friends, I am Sunil Ranjan, and in this session I have come up with the word feel, F-E-E-L, or you can say F-double-E-L. When you say double, then it is the British way of saying it. So, and when you say F-E-E-L, this is American way of saying it. So, now feel. Now the pronunciation is feel. So, and the meaning is to experience something physical or emotional. The meaning is to experience something physical or emotional. That is one meaning. The another one is the way that something feels. The way that something feels. And the character of a place or situation. The character of a place or situation. And you can say another meaning, a natural understanding or ability. A natural understanding or ability. So these are the different ways in which you can express. So now the sentences that are coming up here. The first sentence is, are you feeling comfortable? Well, I am not asking you, rather I am telling the sentence that's given here. So anyway, I may ask you also, you may ask me also. Anyway, the first sentence is, are you feeling comfortable? The next sentence is, the bus ride makes her feel sick. Means she doesn't like to go by bus because whenever she travels by bus, she feels sick. So bus ride makes her sick. So the bus ride makes her feel sick. The next sentence is, I never feel safe when he's driving. So the person is telling about some other person with whom he feels unsafe when he is driving. So I never feel safe when he is driving. Next sentence is, you'll feel better after a good night's sleep. You'll feel better after a good night's sleep. See the sentence here. You can say this way also. So it's a very nice sentence, very short sentence, and yes, very lovely sentence. So you'll feel better after a good night's sleep. Next one, I feel sorry for him. I feel sorry for him. Now this is so easy for you to understand. Moving on to the next sentence. How would you feel about moving to a different city? How would you feel about moving to a different city? This is a suggestion. So, means how will it be to move to a different city? Now, next sentence is, I feel bad about leaving you like this. A person is feeling sorry or sad. So, I feel bad about leaving you like this. You can also use this sentence in your expressions. Now, next sentence is, my suitcase began to feel really heavy. So, began to feel really very heavy means you are carrying the suitcase. So, it feels heavy means it is heavy. So, the sentence is, my suitcase began to feel really heavy after a while. Means after some time it began to feel heavy. This means it was heavy and I was feeling its load. So, the sentence is here like this. Now, another one is, she felt betrayed. She felt betrayed means she felt cheated. The sentence is in the past tense. Now the next sentence is, he gently felt the softness of the baby's cheek. So he's touching a baby, or maybe a baby is touching his body. So he gently felt the softness of the baby's cheek. Baby's cheeks are very soft. So he gently felt, means he very smoothly felt the softness of the baby's cheek. Maybe he touched the baby and liked touching the baby and feeling very happy at the softness of the cheek. Anyway, never in his life had he felt so happy. See, never in his life he had felt so happy means he had never felt so happy in his life. So both ways you can express. So never in his life had he felt so happy. Next sentence is, I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly how you feel. So whatever the other person is feeling, the other person knows well what or how he might be feeling. Now the next sentence is, the doctor felt his head. The doctor felt his head means the doctor touched his head here and felt the temperature or fever, whatever it is. So the physical condition. So the doctor felt his head means the doctor touched his head to feel he might be running some temperature. So the doctor felt his head. The next sentence is, I remember feeling sick. I remember feeling sick. So the person, if it is I, then I remember feeling sick. Means sometime back I had felt sick, so I remember feeling sick. Next is, it feels good to have done something. It feels good to have done something. Means a general feeling is there that something nice has been done. Next sentence is, I feel that I should be doing more to help her. I feel that I should be doing more to help her. Means the responsibility of the person, he feels that he should have done something more to help a lady. Next one is, he had always felt himself. He had always felt himself inferior to his friends. Means he had inferiority complex because whenever he sat with his friends, he felt a bit inferior. So you can say he had always felt himself inferior to his friends, or he had always felt himself to be inferior to his friends. The next sentence is, she felt his hot breath on her neck. She felt her hot breath on her neck. Now the two persons are here. The hot breath on her neck. So maybe a man is touching a woman. So the sentence is, she felt his hot breath on her neck. Next sentence is, he remembered the feel of her skin. He remembered. My God, what a wonderful sentence this is. And this is brushing up your English. The sentence is, he remembered the feel of her skin. Means the feeling that he got having touched that lady. So he remembered the feel of her skin. Next sentence is, it felt wintry cold that day. Wintry cold means the cold during winter. So very, very cold. So he felt wintry cold. It felt wintry cold that day. Now the next sentence is, suddenly I felt a sharp pain in my shoulder. Suddenly means all of a sudden I felt a sharp pain. Suddenly I felt a sharp pain means too much pain in my shoulder. Now the next sentence is, I feel like going for a swim. Now swim is a noun here. So I feel like going for a swim means I want to swim. So I feel like going for a swim. So the sentence moves on. She was so rude. She was so rude. I felt like slapping her face. She was so rude. I felt like slapping her face. Means she behaved very badly. She talked so bluntly that I felt like slapping her face. So you may use that also in the middle of the sentence, or you may omit that also. So she was so rude that I felt like slapping her face, or she was so rude I felt like slapping her face. Now the next sentence is, as you get older means as you grow more in age. So as you get older, you tend to feel the cold more. As you get older, you tend to feel the cold more. Of course, old people feel colder. So the sentence goes like this. Now, I don't feel comfortable in high heels. I don't feel comfortable in high heels. And I don't know how girls feel. Some girls, they feel very comfortable in high heels because maybe they have the habit of wearing high heel shoes, so they say so. But the sentence here is, I don't feel comfortable in high heels. Maybe some lady is saying so. some young lady, some girl, some college girl, some school girl, maybe any girl. Anyway, so the next sentence is, do you feel very strongly about this? Do you feel very strongly about this? Now try to remember this sentence because this is a very important sentence. This will help you whenever you are giving any opinion. So, do you feel very strongly about this? Means, do you have very strong opinions about this? That's the meaning. And the next sentence is, I was feeling, I was feeling in my bag for the keys. This is the beauty of English language. I was feeling in my bag for the keys. Means I was searching in my bag for my keys. Now the next sentence, 3 sentences more. So the speed now the speed at which everything moved felt strange. The speed at which everything moved felt strange. Means this is talking about a place, some situation is there and things are moving very fast, so it feels very strange. So the speed at which everything moved felt strange. And the next sentence is, feel how soft the skin is in the small of the back. Feel how soft the skin is in the small of the back. Here, the skin is very soft. So feel how soft the skin is in the small of the back. Means the small area here, you feel very soft here. So feel how soft the skin is in the small as a noun here. So small of the back. And the last sentence, my dear friends, is, thank you for making me feel better. Thank you for making me feel better. So make one feel better. So this also can be used in a sentence. And my dear friends, I have tried to give you the best I could. If you have subscribed to my channel, well, it's fantastic. If you haven't, do subscribe to my channel so that we are able to meet again and again. And I promise you that I'll always try to come with the best that I could get. Thank you.